Oh my gosh. Hi guys, it's Fire here again with another video. And I'm playing a scary game. It's actually quite scary. My gosh, I've just seen a fake me just run. This is scary. I can't even play. I want to leave. But I'm with this fake guy called Rust10101Q4253. Then this like scary thing just ran. Oh my gosh, I'm leaving. This is scary. I'm leaving. What am I doing? This is scary. I'm leaving this game. This is scary. Who's Peter? What? Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna press escape. Let's see what happens. Oh my gosh, I'm not looking. I looked away and looked back. Nothing happened. Oh my gosh, this is, I can't watch. I'm gonna do nature instead. Oh no. Oh no. I'm not going to see another fake me just run past the screen. Because if I do, I'm gonna leave this game. I'm gonna play the other games. Oh my gosh, this is scary. Who plays this game? Oh, I'm scared. I'm scared. I can't. This is gonna cheat me. I only liked it when other people played the game, but playing it myself. Oh no. No, what? What? Why? Okay. Let's follow you. Okay. I just saw fake me. Yo. I'm not turning around. Oh my gosh. Okay, this game is very scary. Oh my gosh, what was that? The frick? Whoa. Okay. We just... Oh, I see him. I see him. I see him. Oh no. We're all gonna get brought to that cage. I am not going to the cage, okay? I'm going to leave if I get sent to the cage. No. Oh no. Oh no. Why am closer, you scary guy. I know you can't hear me. You know what? I'm leaving. This. I'm gonna go on Tunator because I hate this game. I will never favorite it. I'm gonna. Why? Why do you want me to touch it? Oh no, look, I can't. When I watch Flamingo's video, someone touched it, then this big giant. Who the heck is Spider Jack? I'm not accepting. I declined it. Ah! Ah! Oh my gosh, it was behind him the whole time. I'm gonna accept this guy's friend request because this game is scary. This is very scary. I don't know how we managed to find the chair, but I found the chair somehow. But this is very scary. Oh my gosh. I can't play this. This is very scary. Oh my gosh. This is so scary. Please don't tell me my clone is behind me. Why is he going for him? He ran into my face twice, but he always goes for him. Oh, we're all gonna die. We're all gonna die. We're at the satanic chair with the whatever it's called, Mark. I'm scared. I'm in my Roblox pajamas. You know what? I'm just gonna. I'm never gonna play Roblox again. I pressed close. This game hates me. This is gonna take ages. Okay, I left the game. I'm never gonna play that game again. By Rust010. That is a very scary game. Oh my gosh, he said he had a scary jump scare in his face. As soon as he said that, I just left. 'Cause that is not normal. That didn't happen to Flamingo when he played the game. None of his friends he played with didn't get a scary jump scare in his face. Oh, I got it stuck in my head now. That's not normal. I think Rust, whatever his name is, all alone. Oh, this is demented. But seriously, playing that game alone, home alone. I'm upstairs. My brother's downstairs, but playing that game home alone is so scary. But please, the game's called Happy. Why would you call a scary game happy? That's scary. My gosh, I'm gonna watch what actually happens at the end. Because I don't want to be kidnapped. I'm safe in this. I'm never gonna continue this again. Probably. Now the wind is scaring me. I shouldn't have played Happy. That's... I went to the edge of the world, then I found the thing. Now I have to... Never gonna play that game again. Seriously, that's scary. I'd rather watch this. Never mind, I wouldn't watch this. This is reminding me of the video. This has suddenly decided to calm me down just watching the tail wag. This is so relaxing. It's gone to new tunes. So many. Let's watch this. Then I'll end the video.